In this video, I'll demonstrate the use of a security auditing tool to harden a Linux system. So we'll do a scan and a test to the complete system to find misconfigurations or unprotected services. But before that, subscribe to the channel not to miss more videos about Linux operating systems and networking. Hit the like button if you like this video, and write in the comments if you have any questions about Linux operating systems or networking. Let's start by opening the terminal, and at this point you need to have installed Lynis tool. Then navigate Lynis directory, so write cd downloads /Lynis and enter. Now let's verify if you have the latest version, so write the command sudo space /Lynis space update space info. Enter the password for the sudo command, so password. This can take just a little bit. We can see that we are not using a current version. This version is not updated, but for this demonstration is fine. In the real scenario, you always should have an updated version. Now let's run the auditor to the complete system. Enter the command sudo space /Lynis space --auditor space and the username Cisco, and press enter to start doing the auditing. So the tool will check every service and will give you warnings or saying that everything is okay for each service. We can see that for the service boot, some are okay, and this one checking for password protection, we got a warning. Now we can press enter to go to the next service, now the kernel, and this will check every service on the operating system. We can continue to press enter to start checking the next service, so memory, then users, shells, and sometimes, like for the service file systems, we got suggestions. Now, let's keep pressing enter. Now it's checking the ports in the packages. And some service can take a while because the tool needs to check more information. In this case, we got a warning for checking vulnerable packages on ports and packages. Let's continue checking. Now networking, printers, software, email and messaging, firewalls, web server, DSSH, SMP, databases. Let's continue. There are a lot of services that the tool needs to check. And we are done. We can go back to check the warnings of the services, but the auditing tool will give us a summary in a log file at var-log-lynis.log. And you can check this file to see all the information we saw before, with the state of the system, the services, and the warnings. So you can correct everything and harden your operating system. And now, subscribe to the channel not to miss more videos like this, more videos about Linux operating systems and networking. Hit the like button if this video helped you, and write in the comments if you have any questions about Linux operating systems or networking. And I will see you on the next video.